Hello everyone, today I will show you how to move a row up and down in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and select your row. Click on this row serial and simply select row and drag it up and drag it down and see this. Also move this down and I move it up. Also you can move it. Click this edit option and here also you will find this up and down option and select row up and select roll area and dragging your mouse you can up and down easily and click here up and down. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.